Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of solar power with a focus on the best ring solar gutter mount available on the market. The gutter mount for ring solar panel from ALERTCAM. If you're looking to maximize your solar panel's efficiency while keeping your outdoor space neat and tidy, this is the product you won't want to miss. The ALERTCAM gutter mount is an adjustable, weatherproof aluminum alloy bracket specifically designed for the ring solar panel. With an impressive rating of 4.6 stars from over 230 customers, it's clear that this product is making waves in the smart home security community. Let's explore what makes this gutter mount stand out. First off, let's talk about the design. The mount features a sleek, white finish that not only looks great but is also made from durable aluminum alloy. This material is both lightweight and strong, ensuring that it can withstand various weather conditions without rusting or corroding. Whether it's rain, snow, or intense sun, you can trust that this mount will keep your solar panel securely in place. One of the standout features of this gutter mount is its adjustability. Unlike many other mounts that lock your solar panel into a fixed position, this mount allows for a full 360-degree rotation. This means you can position your solar panel at the perfect angle to capture sunlight throughout the day, maximizing its efficiency. Whether you're mounting it on a flat or slanted gutter, the installation is straightforward, ensuring that you won't have to struggle with complicated setups. Speaking of installation, you'll be pleased to know that this mount is incredibly easy to set up. It doesn't require specialized tools or complex steps, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. You won't need to drill holes or risk damaging your gutters, which is a huge plus. Just attach it, adjust the angle, and you're ready to harness solar energy to power your ring devices. Stability is a major concern for anyone mounting a solar panel, and ALERTCAM has addressed this with a design that ensures a strong and secure fit. Once installed, you won't have to worry about your solar panel shifting or dropping off due to wind or rain. This mount keeps your panel exactly where you want it, providing peace of mind that your solar energy source will be reliable. What sets ALERTCAM apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They offer a lifetime service guarantee, ensuring that you have ongoing support should you encounter any issues with the product. Their dedication to quality and service gives you the confidence that you're making a worthwhile investment in your smart home setup. In conclusion, the gutter mount for ring solar panel by ALERTCAM is a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their solar power capabilities. Its durable construction, adjustable design, easy installation, and reliable stability make it the best option available. If you're ready to maximize your solar panel's efficiency and keep your ring devices powered without hassle, this mount is a fantastic addition to your outdoor setup. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Stay powered and see you next time.